Hello everyone. Today we will explore OpenAI DALL-E 2, an AI model that can generate images using your natural language. In simple terms, it can create and edit images and generate art from the text description that you enter. It also allows you to edit your own uploaded image. For that, we will use the DALL-E Preview app. I provided the link in the description below. So, without further ado, let's begin. To begin, you need to create an account with OpenAI, which you can register for free. So, it's a trial account and you get 50 credits for the first month. So here is the interface for the DALL-E Preview app. Here you have three different options to generate an image. We'll explore all these three options one by one. Let's select an image from the library. I'll go with the astronaut one. This generates four square relevant images. You can choose the most relevant image for yourself. We'll do some fun customization with this image. To do that, we need to edit the image. Let's remove the background using the eraser tool. It's not perfect, but it'll work for us. Now I will see if I can move this astronaut to Mumbai. I'll write Mumbai in the prompt and see its response. Wow, awesome. It generates four new images again with the astronaut in Mumbai. Select one image again and edit this image to get the desired changes. Repeat this process till you get the desired output. Finally, you can share this image or save this image to your collection. You may also share it to the public using the action button there. That's it. Let's move to the method 2. In method 2, we'll upload a custom image and edit with DALL-E. I'll select my own photo to do some editing. You can see it accepts only a square photo. If it's not a square, then you'll have to crop it. Ha! These are funny variations of my photo. Let me select a variation of my photo to edit. Let me put a sunglass on my photo. It's easy. I'll just have to erase the area where I want to put my sunglasses. Write sunglasses on the prompt and click generate. Now we have four images of my doppelganger wearing sunglasses. Cool. Now let's move to the method tree to generate images directly from the prompt. Write anything on the prompt to generate an image. Oh, we have monkey sitting on the bed now. See, the images are not perfect and you'll have to try various prompts to get a perfect image. So finally, my first 50 credits have been exhausted after running so many tests. Here, one credit is consumed per one successful image generation. You can buy additional credits to carry on. OpenAI sells 115 credits for $15. If you want to try out more, you can also wait for the next month to receive another 12 credits. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.